From the dawn of humanity, we have gazed upon the cosmos and wondered about our place within its grand expanse. We've told stories about creation and destruction, pondered the end of times, and imagined scenarios that could bring about our planet's demise. This fascination with the end of the world is woven into the fabric of our cultures, reflected in ancient myths, religious texts, and even modern-day science fiction. The idea of the world ending can be both terrifying and strangely alluring. It taps into our deepest fears about the unknown while simultaneously reminding us of life's precious and fleeting nature. While countless predictions about the end of the world have come and gone, the question persists: how will it all end? Throughout history, various cultures have held different beliefs about the end of the world. Ancient civilizations often attributed natural disasters like floods, earthquakes, and volcanic eruptions to the wrath of angry gods. These events, though terrifying, were also seen as cyclical, part of a continuous process of creation and destruction. Today we face a different set of potential apocalypses, informed by scientific understanding rather than mythology. Asteroids, those celestial wanderers that have left their mark on our planet before, continue to pose a threat. A large enough impact could trigger widespread devastation, potentially ending civilization as we know it. Another danger lurks beneath our feet: supervolcanoes. These geological giants possess the power to erupt with forces thousands of times greater than any volcanic eruption in recorded history. Such an event would release massive amounts of ash and aerosols into the atmosphere, blocking sunlight, disrupting global climate patterns, and potentially plunging the planet into a volcanic winter. Then there's the looming threat of climate change, a gradual but potentially catastrophic alteration of Earth's climate system. Human activities, particularly the burning of fossil fuels, have led to a significant increase in greenhouse gases in the atmosphere, trapping heat and causing global temperatures to rise. The consequences of unchecked climate change are far-reaching, including rising sea levels, more frequent and intense heat waves, droughts, and extreme weather events, all of which could disrupt ecosystems, displace populations, and threaten global food security. We also cannot ignore the potential for self-inflicted destruction through nuclear war. The sheer destructive power of nuclear weapons is undeniable, and their use in conflict could have catastrophic and long-lasting consequences for humanity and the planet. While these scenarios may seem like the stuff of science fiction, they are grounded in scientific reality. However, it is important to separate genuine threats from sensationalized doomsday predictions. Scientists constantly monitor these risks, studying their probability and potential impact. While asteroid impacts are a real concern, the likelihood of a planet-killing asteroid striking Earth in our lifetime is extremely low. Thanks to ongoing efforts to detect and track near-Earth objects, we have a better understanding of the risks posed by these celestial objects and are developing technologies that could potentially deflect an asteroid on a collision course with Earth. The threat of supervolcano eruptions is also real, but these events are incredibly rare, occurring on timescales of tens of thousands or even hundreds of thousands of years. While we cannot prevent a supervolcano eruption, scientific advancements allow us to monitor volcanic activity, providing early warning systems that could help mitigate the impact of such an event. Climate change, on the other hand, is a clear and present danger, and its consequences are already being felt around the world. The good news is that we have the power to address this challenge. By transitioning to cleaner sources of energy, reducing our carbon footprint, and investing in sustainable practices, we can mitigate the worst effects of climate change and create a more sustainable future. The end of the world, at least in the foreseeable future, is not a foregone conclusion. While we face real and significant challenges, we also possess the ingenuity, resilience, and capacity for collective action to overcome them. By embracing scientific understanding, investing in research and technological advancements, and working together to address global challenges, we can ensure a brighter future for ourselves and generations to come. The power to determine our fate lies not in ancient prophecies or doomsday predictions, but in our collective will to create a better tomorrow.